When you go to buy DDR RAM for your PC, every store plays the same game. They point you straight to the most expensive kit on the shelf. Premium RGB, elite branding, extreme performance, they say. The exact same strategy Apple uses to convince people that paying more automatically means better. Suddenly, a $220 RAM kit feels mandatory just to browse Chrome, open Discord, and play a few games. Sound familiar? But here's what they don't want you to know. Just like Apple hardware, you're paying a massive branding tax. Because right now, there are DDR RAM kits that deliver the same real-world performance, better stability, and tighter memory tuning for nearly half the price. No glowing lights, no luxury packaging, no Apple-level marketing budget, just raw performance. In the next few minutes, I'm going to expose exactly which DDR RAM kits you should actually be buying and why most people completely ignore them. By the end of this video, you'll either thank me for saving you serious money, or you'll be mad because you already overpaid for premium RAM. And trust me, number 2 on this list is gonna hurt. It matches the performance of RAM kits priced like Apple hardware without the useless RGB and hype. And the number 1 pick? It delivers better memory stability and tuning than kits used in high-end builds at a price that feels straight up illegal. Before we dive in, check the links in the description for the best deals on all the DDR RAM kits mentioned in this video. Let's start with a kit that proves one simple truth. Expensive doesn't mean better, it just means better marketing. Number 5. Team Group T-Force Vulcan DDR5, the best budget DDR5 upgrade. At around $95, the Team Group T-Force Vulcan DDR5 proves you don't need to sell a kidney to move to next-gen memory. This kit runs at 5600 MHz, which is the current sweet spot for modern Intel and AMD platforms. You get solid timings, excellent stability, and surprisingly good compatibility with budget and mid-range motherboards. No flashy RGB, no gimmicks, just clean, reliable performance. In gaming, productivity, and everyday workloads, this kit performs nearly identical to much more expensive DDR5 kits. It supports XMP and EXP profiles, making setup effortless even for beginners. If you're building a new PC or upgrading from DDR4 without blowing your budget, this is one of the smartest DDR5 choices you can make. Number 4. Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4, still a DDR4 legend. If you're staying on DDR4, and millions of people still are, this one needs no introduction. The Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 kit at around $65 delivers 3200 MHz or 3600 MHz speeds with excellent timings and rock-solid reliability. This RAM has been tested across thousands of builds, and there's a reason it's still everywhere. Low-profile heat spreaders mean zero clearance issues with large CPU coolers, and performance in gaming is still incredibly strong, especially on Ryzen systems. For budget and mid-range DDR4 builds, this kit remains one of the best price-to-performance options on the market. Number 3. G.Skill Ripjaws S5 DDR5, high speed without the hype. At roughly $110, the G.Skill Ripjaws S5 DDR5 kit targets users who want higher frequencies without paying RGB tax. This memory runs at 6000 MHz, which is widely considered the optimal speed for Ryzen 7000 systems and a performance sweet spot for Intel as well. Latency is well-tuned, stability is excellent, and boot times are fast. What makes this kit special is how consistent it is. No random crashes, no compatibility drama. Just plug it in, enable XMP or EXP, and you're good to go. If you want performance that rivals premium DDR5 kits without the inflated price tag, this one is a no-brainer. Number 2. Crucial Pro DDR5. No RGB, no nonsense, just performance. Crucial's Pro DDR5 memory at around $100 is built by Micron, one of the biggest memory manufacturers in the world. That alone should tell you something. Running at 5600 MHz, this kit focuses on stability, efficiency, and long-term reliability rather than flashy aesthetics. It's perfect for workstations, productivity builds, and anyone who wants dependable DDR5 without tuning headaches. Performance in content creation, multitasking, and even in gaming is excellent, and power efficiency is better than many RGB-heavy kits. This is DDR5 RAM for people who care about performance, not light shows. Number 1. Kingston Fury Renegade DDR5, the enthusiast sweet spot. Now for the best overall DDR RAM on this list. The Kingston Fury Renegade DDR5 at around $130 delivers 6400 MHz, tight timings, and top-tier stability. This is enthusiast-level memory without the insane pricing. In gaming benchmarks, productivity workloads, and stress testing, this kit consistently ranks among the fastest non-custom RAM options available. It supports both Intel XMP and AMD EXP, making it extremely versatile. Whether you're running a high-end GPU, editing 4K video, or chasing maximum FPS, this kit gives you performance that feels genuinely premium without crossing into overpriced territory. If you want the best DDR5 performance per dollar, this is it. Final breakdown. So here's what you have. Team Group T-Force Vulcan DDR5, best entry point into DDR5. Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4, still the king of DDR4 value. G.Skill Ripjaws S5 DDR5, high-speed performance without hype. Crucial Pro DDR5, reliable, efficient, and rock-solid. Kingston Fury Renegade DDR5, best overall DDR RAM for enthusiasts. Which one would you choose for your build? Or is there a DDR RAM kit I missed that deserves a spot on this list? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I read them all. And if this video helped you avoid overpaying, hit like, subscribe, and check out the next video where I break down the biggest PC upgrade mistakes people still make in 2026.